Hey, Benny! Check out my magic pine cone. That's a great horned owl. It's probably harmless, but let's get out of here.
Great horned owl. These little guys up here, they're not ears and they're not horns. They're called plumicorns. The great horned owl is one of the biggest owl species. Diet includes rabbits, snakes, and even skunks. Their large eyes and wide pupils help them see quite well at night. Their eyes can't move like ours do, but they can rotate their head all the way around so they can see behind them. G R E A T H O R N E D O W L. Great horned owl.